see.
There you go. Now you move over there a bit, okay? Yeah, some nice hay. Come on.
That's nice, bit outdoorsy
Yeah.
activities.
Too cold for smells.
But and think about how we can make a contraption for them. Oh, een haas. Ga je een plaatje? Doe de bladzijde maar. Precies.
There's some here.
waar gaat dit in? Een stekker.
Een stekker.
Waar steek je de stekker in?
Hier.
Wat goed. Ja. Ja, Amber?
Oh. What did I like sticky on the peel? I got some onions here in the pom-pom. Wow, going in there.
Ja.
Okay.
Aardappels. Deze willen we.
Ja.
Nee.
Get that.
Kom maar. De grote pakken, oké?
Deze is groter.
Dit is een grote.
Wauw.
Oké. Zo eentje is ook goed.
Okay. What's the next letter?
E.
Yes. And where is the small E?
Do you want one of these as well?
Yeah, go for it. Thank you.
We're now trying to have a little walk to the forest, to the snow. It's been melting quite hard this week, but the ground is still so frozen that you will end up with an ice layer at the bottom, which turned our homestead into an ice rink. And can make sledging a whole lot of fun. Yeah, so yesterday we had a nice dinner of our home raised roosters, and we learned that the legs of roosters are extremely tough, so that would have really had to been in a stew or braised for a long time to get nice and tender. The breasts were really delicious though, they were really good. Apparently that's very different to hens, they're supposed to be more tender legs, so but we were keeping the hens for laying eggs for now. So I think we won't be getting to them anytime soon. Then also an update on my shoulder. As you can see, I have been about and doing things. I even managed to shovel some snow, but it does get rather painful after a while. I went to the hospital, and they, the local hospital, where they do have an X-ray machine. However, that's only for arms and legs. They wouldn't be able to do that for my shoulder, so there I would have to go to the next hospital, which is an hour and a half away. So instead they did a few tests. They had a look whether it was swollen, which it's not, if there was any redness, which there's not. They did some pushing around the area, but nothing really hurt. I'm mobile, you know, my shoulder is still flexible. Well, flexible. I can still move my shoulder, not without pain, but it's mobile. So then he did some tests, moving and pushing a bit, and in certain directions it hurts like hell, and other things I can do just fine. You could kind of see from doing all these things that it was most likely not broken. So for now, what he said, you just go on with your life and keep moving it. Especially it's very important, of course, to keep moving it, otherwise it could turn into a frozen shoulder. But he did say that if you make moves that are painful, then it's probably best not to do those, of course. If nothing improves for a while or things get worse, then I'll make an appointment with the physio, and we'll take it from there. But we also have some sad news about Princess, the lamb. Sadly, she didn't make it. We had one more cold spell last week, and it was too much for her. We tried again to put her into the growing room to keep her warm, but it didn't do much. So it went quite quickly, which is good. Hopefully she didn't suffer too much. But Caroline was quite upset about it, of course, and it's no fun to have our cutest lamb just die, and it also makes you feel a little bit more of a failure again. But yeah, it's such a steep learning curve. Everything we learn out here is all very tough lessons. But the good thing is that we do learn from it, move on and get better. The sun is popping out its head now every day, and it's even shining on the house as well since a couple of days ago. So it's really like, yeah, just over 3 weeks after the winter solstice that it comes back. And so we're a good month and a half without sun on the homestead. But it's really nice after not having seen the sun for so long. It's not that it gives any warmth yet, because it's super low, as you can see. It's just poking its head out over the trees. But it is a very promising sight and wonderful feeling to see the sun again.